In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save PSD to JPG in Photoshop. If you've ever finished a design in Photoshop and wanted a simple image you can share, upload, or email, converting your layered PSD into a JPG is the way to go. JPG is widely supported and creates a smaller, flattened file, perfect for web and everyday use, while your PSD remains your editable master file. First, let's make sure Photoshop is set up to let you save directly as JPG. At the top of the screen, open the Edit menu, then head into Preferences. In the Preferences window, select File Handling. Here, look for the option called Enable Legacy Save and turn it on. This setting brings back the classic save as behavior, so JPG appears in your format list, which makes the process quick and familiar. It's a simple switch, but it's the key to seeing JPG as an option when you save. Once that's enabled, you're good to go. Now that your settings are ready, it's time to create the JPG. Go up to the File menu and choose Save As. A dialog box will open where you can choose where to save your file and what to name it. In the Format or Save As type dropdown, select JPG from the list of formats. When you choose JPG, you're telling Photoshop to flatten the image for a standard photo file, which is great for sharing or posting online. After you've selected JPG, click Save. That's the full process. A couple of quick notes to help you get the best results. Because JPG is a compressed, flattened format, it won't keep layers, masks, or smart objects. That's normal and expected. If you think you'll need to make edits in the future, keep your PSD as a separate version for safekeeping and treat the JPG as your share-ready copy. Also, if you don't see JPG in the dropdown, double check that Enable Legacy Save is indeed turned on in file handling, since that option controls which formats appear in Save As. That's all there is to it. You've confirmed the right preference, saved your project as a JPG, and you're ready to share your work. Keeping a PSD for editing and a JPG for distribution is a simple workflow that saves time and preserves quality where it matters. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.